Okay, this video is going to help explain how to do a first in, first out inventory costing method. So you need to have a piece of scratch paper and something to write with so that you can do this all. I've done it on a spreadsheet. You can do it on a piece of paper. So what I want you to do for the moment is you are going to copy columns A through D, purchase dates, units purchased, unit price, total cost, and all of this information here onto your piece of scratch paper. So pause this video and copy that information down. Okay, so now you should have it copied down. We're going to do the FIFO method. So according to the instructions, there were 16 units left at the end of the year. These are all the units we purchased throughout the year. We started with 14 on January 1st. We made a purchase on March 29th, May 6th, August 28th, and November 8th. These are the units we purchased, the per unit price, and the total. So at the end of the year, we had 16 left. We need to figure the price of those units at the end of the year. Using the FIFO method, it means that you have first in, first out. The most recent invoices for purchases determine the unit price of the items in inventory. So it means the earliest purchases are what's been gone. This January 1st was my first purchase, so it's the first out. These are sold. First in, first out. Related to a batch of apples. If I bought apples on January 1st and then again on March 29th, I want to make sure I sell my January 1st apples before my March 29th ones. Because if I wait till my May 6th purchase, I can guarantee you the apples I bought on January 1st are going to be bad. So I need to determine the price of these 16, what the value is. So I'm going to work backwards. I'm going to work from the most recent purchases. So my most recent purchase was on November 8th. On November 8th, I bought 9 units. So for the 16 I have left, all 9 of these are going to be there. So right here, I'm going to put in 9 because I'm going to take all 9 of these units. Okay? They were $38 a piece. Since I'm taking the whole thing, I can take $342 and stick it in there. I'm going to go ahead and format them as I go. Now, I have 9 units here. I have a total of 16 left. 9 from 16 is 7. So on August 28th, I purchased 8 units. Well, I don't need all 8 of those. I only need 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. That will get me my 16 units. Now those units were $36 a piece. So I'm going to take my calculator over here. I'm going to take 7 times 36 and get $252. Okay, so there's my 16 units. And the value of those two purchases, if I can do this on the video here, is $594 for my FIFO, first in, first out. My first purchased ones have been sold. They were the first ones out. To figure the value of what's left, I use my most recent purchases and work backwards.